2015 Ford Escape. No crank, no start. Little backstory is fuse block was replaced because if you wiggled it, it would the car would actually start, or everything start clicking if you touched it. So good starting point. So I'm gonna do some voltage drop testing on that fuse block and see what's going on. All right, here's that fuse box I was talking about. See, brand new cover. Took the airbox off real quick. Airbox wasn't even tying on the throttle body, so. I really don't want to see if any of these are loose. I feel pretty good. So, we're gonna get my Devo, do some voltage drop testing here. Up testing, I'm on the positive side real quick. You can see with the key off still, I already went through all of them off camera, but they're all reading the same. All right, let's go turn the key on now. All right, key is on. So we'll start over here. Try to keep y'all in frame. Let's see, okay. 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 Oh, bingo. We're at 9.6 right here on this last fuse. Key on the positive side, one lead. So check there, check on the other side, nothing. So here, good. And then bingo after the fuse. Got my Devo meter here, Devo meter. So real quick, you'll see, I light up my test light, light up my test light, test light. Oh my God. All right, check this shit out. I was just curious and it actually did. So, keys in the on position. Now it's not doing it. I pressed it and it freaking started. Well, once I pressed it, it started. Now it's starting. So, I wonder if I can. Oh, there we go. I messed with it. See if it'll start. Still start. Damn it. Anyways. So check this fuse because I doubt it's the plate because the plate's been replaced. Yeah, well, now it's constantly starting. I'm gonna look up wiring diagrams real quick and I want to see exactly what this fuse is. Is it to the starter, or because I pressed it down and I had the key in the on position, I pressed it down and the car started, and now it's just constantly starting. So muchas gracias. All right, so here's the wiring diagram. There's the battery right here. Come up to the mega fuse block, and I guess it's fuse 9 because it's a yellow cable, and this goes to the body control module. So that probably explains all the flickering and everything when it's not in proper contact. So yeah. I am going to pull this fuse off and maybe see if I can load the fuse, because I doubt it's a problem with this contact or this contact, because it's a new fuse, high current battery junction box, because it's a new one. So here's the old fuse, but can't really see what's wrong with it. But got a new one from the dealer. Get this put on and we'll voltage drop test. All right, new fuse is on. Black lead on the positive. I am there as I was before. A voltage drop and Devo meter fixed. Clear these codes real quick. Sorry for that annoying beeping noise. Close the damn door. Can't stand that shit. Actually, let's probably go to the body control module too, so I'll probably just do a complete erase. Okay, you see how fast it scans this 2016 Escape with all the different modules, autofix. Long day. Just finished installing an engine on a 2015 Pathfinder. What y'all up to? Do a quick read. I'm not even gonna read them. They weren't there before, so. But this vehicle is fixed for now. I hope I was right. Verified my repair. It's starting. No voltage drop. Lights up my Devo. And okay, what's going on here? Okay, for the camera. There was a problem with the camera. It's alright. And we are done.